Want to learn SONiC but don't have the hardware? No problem, we've got you covered. Test SONiC hands-on, remotely, on real servers. With Route2Open Hands-On Labs, you can practice SONiC networking in real-world scenarios without needing any physical hardware. Book a 2-hour session, connect to our lab environment, and start learning. Learn how to install SONiC, set up basic configurations, and manage authentication. Configure VLANs, set up interfaces, and optimize network segmentation in SONiC. Master high-availability solutions like MLAG, VRRP, in Static Anycast Gateway. Explore advanced routing with BGP and EVPN, enabling multi-tenant networking and scalable cloud infrastructure. Test, learn, and apply real networking skills with expert guidance. Book your free hands-on lab today. Visit Route2Open, select your session, and start learning SONiC, hands-on, no hardware required.